The following programme may contain strong language and brief nudity. Viewer discretion is advised. Watch it, it's funny.
I'm not getting in this. I'm not getting in this. Now.
You want to go try this now?
No, forget it.
No?
No.
You don't want to go for a ride?
No, not without a proper seat, Jamie. Jamie, there isn't even a proper seat. I can't get in this.
Ronnie! Can you hear me, Ronnie? Ronnie! 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 Stop! Ronnie! Ronnie! Fine! Stop! Stop! Ronnie!
Right, that's fine.
Want to try it again?
No, you're all right, Ronnie. I mean, look at the size of it. And yet it's only room for one man in it. It makes no sense. It's not a monster truck, it's just monster wheels. It's big wheels. And that doesn't add anything to a car. I don't buy a car on the size of the wheels. If it had a monster glove compartment, that's more useful. Look at mine compared to that.